Hello everybody, my name is Ghost Runner, and today we're going to be playing Ratchet and Clank. Now, I've heard a lot of views about this, or comments, whatever. Can't speak today. This game sounds awesome, and I'm gonna play it. Sorry I haven't been making any videos lately. I've been just really busy with school and all that, and just been trying to mostly focus on the Ghost Runner channel. But now I've got the time to show you this. I think this is going to be a fun series. I really do. And I've played this game before, as you can tell by all these profiles. So I might know a little bit more stuff about it. So don't be surprised if I'm like, oh, here's something right here. So I'm just gonna do it on this one. Why not? And there we go. We are playing, and it's gonna be a mighty fun time. Oh crap, I just noticed this is a bad camera angle. I'm sorry, I don't have the best way to show the screen, but this is as good as it gets. Not really sure how to show that kind of stuff and all that. And yeah. Oh, he was made differently. That'd actually be kind of fun to go down. Unless there's bumps. Didn't see there's bumps though. Bumpy slide. Oh, it reminds me of Star Wars. I don't even know why I'm saying that. But I don't know everything about this game. I've only played the beginning of it. In fact, the only Ratchet and Clank game that I completed is the Tools of Destruction. So, okay, we're going into the gameplay. Oh god, camera angle is weird. Alright, see if I can do this. Oh, cool. Hiya! Hiya! I don't know why I always speak like that. But the most important thing about these type of games is it's all about the money. You gotta collect all the money, otherwise you are pretty screwed. With all these bolts lying around, why don't I just buy something better than this pile of junk to live in? At least I think I live in here. Has that ever occurred to him? Whenever he's collecting so many bolts, why can't he just, use all these bolts to buy himself something decent to live in? And now he's, collecting all the bolts just so he can, just for the funs of it, oh yes, collect the bolts, then I'll get some weaponry to save some random robot I've just met. But yeah, this game's really cool, I gotta admit. The first time I played this was when I was a kid, and I thought this was a really cool game. But now, whenever I try to like play a game like this, I always fail at it epically. Cause like, I don't know, like when I was a kid I was really good at games like these and I was always able to complete them, but now when it comes to this type of games I kind of suck at it. Probably mostly because I played Call of Duty most of my life. Yes, I admit I am basically a Call of Duty addict. I'm really addicted to Call of Duty. Well, I used to be at least. The reason for that is though, because like my buddies always loved playing that type of game, and they really enjoyed it, and I didn't want to lose them as friends, so I just kept playing and playing and playing until I got really good at it, and I enjoyed it more. But then I got bored of it. It's kind of like a back and forth type of situation. Yeah, I'll get back to you in a minute once I collect all these bolts. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing this for a series until I beat this game. I don't know if I'll do the other Ratchet and Clank games. Probably, if this one goes well. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna be doing this for quite a long time. That is, if I suck at it. For your entertainment. Oh. Haha, yes. He's just playing leapfrog. And I ended it. Oh! There we go. Can I destroy that plant? No, it's just a little plant. Oh boy. Oh, I completely forgot about the glove. Can I not use it and... I completely forgot about the glove. Like, I've forgotten most of the controls for this game, except for like the wrench. Okay, there we go. That's better. I'm doing great, can't you tell? But like, most of this game's probably gonna be like me just collecting the bolts. Okay, so there's the ship that crashed from the little robot that's called Clank. You're gonna learn that soon. It's not really a big surprise. Ratchet and Clank, blah blah blah. But yeah, this is basically how it all started. I guess we can go talk to him now. Ooh, shiny. I'm gonna take it home. I don't know why he just took a random piece of junk home, unless like he was gonna use it for a part of his ship. I guess I'm gonna be quiet on this.
You're quite handy with your wrench. You bet. I built that ship with it. Currently I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Dredd, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change of mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you take your wily, sniveling, snub-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my...
People on those planets are hosed. Now, Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this info box, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
The thing I like about the Ratchet and Clank series is that they don't make it like a super serious game. It's pretty funny.
Take care of it.
Oh, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is B54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin.
Preposterous. I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, Michael. You don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny.
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, great. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
Now, it's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
Aw, you beat up an old man? Well, he might be not old, but like it's basically showing he's old. And I don't know how he survived that.
Oh. Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Okay. I completely forgot to put on the subtitles for you guys, so I am very sorry. Subtitles. There we go. Okay, okay. And we're back. We crash landed and now we're gonna be doing a bunch of stuff. Okay, there we go. Honestly, the first goal that I got for this is is to buy that. I want to buy that. Well, actually, first I should probably save the money for like any type of like thing that I have to buy. But then again, I really need the weapons. The weapons are very helpful in this game. Should I honestly go this way? Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. Screw it. How you dive again? There we go. That's how you dive. Okay, I should probably get some air. But like, yeah, just collecting the bolts in general is really important. in this game. But like when you collect the bolts, you also get to see plenty of the beautiful things that this game has to offer. Oh god, the bad camera angle. Hoi! Oh, what the heck was that? Something just fell into the water. Did you see that? Or am I just going crazy? Yeah. Okie dokie. Wait, can I destroy these mushrooms? No. Let me like these ones. Oh yeah. Okay. But yeah, there's really a lot to compliment about this game because it's so very cool. I gotta admit, like, it is amazing to look at because of all the details that they added to this game. And just the scenery is pretty cool. You guys probably think like the graphics aren't as great, but like really, to me, it's very gorgeous. Jeez, there's not a lot of stuff to destroy here. But anyways, let's get back to it. I don't think it even tells you that you can dive in this. Is there any like bolts left down there? Oh god. Oh. No, there's no bolts. Oh wow. Oh. Oh god. No. Get out. Get. Okay. Sometimes I get a little dizzy simply because of the camera angles. I bet I could change that at one point, but like, I don't want to change it. It'll just change the button layout, and then I'll just get confused. And I've gotten used to it a little bit. No. Oh, my goodness. Is there bolts at the bottom? No, there's no bolts at the bottom. Come on, get up, get. Oh look, it's a little birdie. Let's see if it bites me. Or I bite. Oh my god, it knows how to fly! That's freaky. Who else wants to fight? Who did? No? Okay. There we go. Do. Ha! Making progress. But yeah, let me know if it's like too bright or needs to be brighter. But other than that, just like, if you enjoyed this, oh wait, I could just say that at the ending, can't I? But like, I guess I'll just finish it, why the heck not? You can always leave a like if you enjoyed this, because I am doing this for your entertainment, and also for mine, but mostly yours. Ha! Oh wow! I accomplished literally nothing from that. All I got was like bolts. Okay, moving on. Okie dokie. Oh god. This is also kind of hard to see because of the camera that's in the way. But I'm not complaining. Oh god, yeah. Camera angles. That's probably what I'm gonna die from the most. It's just how the camera's laid out. Like just as I'm about to shoot somebody, it just completely turns around. No. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah. Ah. Haha! I think. Oh, it worked. Oh, I don't want to touch that. Oh, I hate the camera angle right now. I don't know really what else to talk about. Sandwiches. Who likes sandwiches? That's fantastic. I love that sandwich too. But personally, my favorite's PB&J. Oh. Oh yeah! I can't get into this part yet, can I? Well, maybe I can. Yeah, I technically can. I think. No? I don't think I can get to this part yet. Oh man, I can't. Ah! Can't I? Maybe I can. I just gotta try. Oh wow. Oh, that sucks. How do I get back? Oh. Oh. Oh wait, yes I can! Yes! I can still do this. Oh wait, no, there's bolts. It's all about the bolts. Okay, now we can go. That is the important thing about this game, is you cannot, and I mean you cannot, leave a bolt behind. Because if you do, you're basically screwed. At least I have enough for the Pyromancer, I think it's called. Or just the flamethrower in general.
And blast it!
Look, plumber's cracked.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
Alright, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports.
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this goddamn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What? He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An info bug. Ratchet, we could use that.
Okay.
Did you just slide down a sewer?
That actually looks really fun.
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface. Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Fireworks.
Concentrate. Oh, we've been hit! An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for you. We're not gonna live that long. Kid, let's hamstring. Eject! Eject!
Did you see that guy on the left? That was Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hoverboarder. Always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say, I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Gadgetron Infobox give you coordinates for new planets. Now that you have the infobot for planet Aurelius, you'll need to find a ship to get there.
Okay.
To enter look-around mode, press and hold the L1 button.
Weird. Is there anything else? I guess I could try. No, I don't like that. Ah! No! No! It's not. So I go down that one, and then there's only one. Okay, I have searched everything in this room. This whole area. Whee! Yeah! Best water slide ever! That would be actually kind of fun to do, except for maybe the rocks at the bottom. That would really hurt.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Yes, I love that. Yeah! Okay, so I think I'm going to end it there. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe to become awesome. Even though you're probably already awesome, you'll become even more awesome. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!